Hi everybody, welcome back to my class. Today let us practice reading and there we will do a small exercise. Okay, so let's get started.
Children, have a look. What I made for you. It's a picture of a girl, right? It's a picture of a girl. Do you know what is her name? Her name is Sarah. Her name is Sarah. So now let us read. First the heading is reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Reading. Now I will request you all to read with me loudly. This is Sarah. So the name of this girl is Sarah. The name of this girl is Sarah. She is 10 years old. Children, please put your finger and read. And do you know, Sarah is 10 years old. She is tall and thin. So Sarah is tall and Sarah is thin. Let us read the next line. She has long brown hair. She has black eyes. So children, see, Sarah has long and brown hair. Sarah's hair is brown and she has black eyes. Can you see her eyes? It's black. So she has black eyes. Now, next one. She can sing and dance. So what Sarah can do? Sarah can sing and Sarah can also dance. She can sing and she can dance. But she cannot swim. But Sarah cannot swim. She can only sing and dance. She cannot swim. Every day she reads books with her friends. So what she does every day? She reads books with her friends. Sarah reads books with her friends. She likes to ride her bicycle. So Sarah likes to ride her bicycle. On Wednesdays, children, we will not say Wednesday. The pronunciation will be Wednesday. The correct pronunciation is Wednesday. Don't say Wednesday. That's wrong. So we should pronounce it Wednesday. Okay? So let us read again. On Wednesdays, she plays music at her school. So children, what she does on Wednesdays? She plays music at her school. She is very brave. Now children, do you know Sarah is very brave. So she is a brave girl. She can cook eggs at home. Now see children, she is so brave that she can alone cook eggs at home. Can you cook, children? Sarah can cook. She can cook eggs at her home. So children, we have already completed reading. Now I will underline few words. Now your homework is you have to learn or you have to mug up those spellings. Okay? Spellings of those words. So from here, learn the spelling of Sarah, then years, old, tall, thin. I know these spellings are very easy, but still I will request you all to learn the spellings and know the meanings of those words. Next, long, brown, hair, black, eyes. Next, sing, dance, cannot, swim, every day, reads, books, friends, likes, ride. Now let us go for next page. Bicycle, Wednesdays, plays, music, school, very, brave, cook, eggs, home. So children, all of you will write this passage in your copy and you will mug up the underlined words. You will mug up the spellings of these underlined words. So at first you have to write the passage in your copy. So I will request you all to write the whole passage in your copy. Okay, now let us do the exercise. Let's see. Let us read the instruction together. Write down the doing words in the blanks from the above passage. So what we have to do? We have to write down the doing words. We have to write down the doing words. So children, doing word means action words. To do something, right? To do something, the action words are called doing words. We have already learned doing words. So I hope that you all know which words are doing words, right? So what we have to do? We have to write the doing words in these blanks. We have to write the doing words in these blanks. But from where we have to collect the doing words? We will collect the doing words from this passage. We will collect these doing words from this passage. Okay, so all of you collect the doing words from this passage. Like here, sing. Sing is a doing word. Then dance. Dance is also a doing word. Then swim. Swim is also a doing word. So what we will do? We will collect the doing words from the passage and what we will do? We will write it in the blanks. Like from here I found sing. So here I will write sing. The first doing word is sing. S-I-N-G, sing. Next one. After sing, it's dance. Dance is also a doing word. So in the next page, I will write in this blanks I will write dance. So children, I have done number 1 and 2. I have taken out 2 words from this passage. You have to take out more words. You have to take out more words from this passage, more doing words. Okay children, you have to take out more doing words from this passage and you have to write it down in these blanks. So I hope it's very easy for you and you can do it very nicely. So children, do it fast and try to keep your copy neat and clean and write all this with very good and beautiful handwriting. Okay, so this is all for today.
Bye bye. Have a nice day.